Okay, today we are going to talk about how to um, add satellites or modify satellite data in the OPENGD77. This firmware has developed to have better functionality of DMR radio. In this case, I have a Bofen DM7001, but this firmware works for many others. So I'm not going to talk about how to install the firmware because there are many videos in YouTube talking about that. That have tried this firmware, the functionalities, creating the channel, the sound, the TG list and such. I'm not going to talk about that. What I'm going to focus is how I can update or change the data satellite, not the TLEs. Is adding a new satellite, changing a satellite is not active and such. So usually what we do is activating this function called OpenGD in extras OpenGD support, and it brings his dialog box. It shows here and website address where it's going to download the TLS. When I click on that icon, it is going to start updating my radio on the TLS, and that's it. However, when I come to check the satellites, there might be a number of satellites that I don't use or not active or such. So I started to think about why I don't see some satellites that I want to have. And I found out that in the program file, in the location of the OpenGD software, which is this one, this is located in program files. There are a number of files, folders, and such, but there is one here called satellites.txt. The original one is over here, brought a number of satellites. This is the NORAD ID. This is the first column. This is the name. And here, for example, original one brought table 2 to 8. The tables are not active. And the IO86 doesn't work for me because it's more to location near Ecuador. But I am 46 latitude north, so it won't work. I don't need that thing. So after finding out this information, I can update what I want. So here in the OpenGD files, there is this file that what I do is just got a copy, put another folder, and open it. This one was the original one, and this one is the updated one. I replaced a number of satellites there. For example, I added a UNCA 1, RS95, RS18S, and RS38, which these three are basically CubeSat for SSTV. This one is a new one that recently was activated for 2 days, and I already tried that one. So having that updated, what I basically do is to replace that file, put it here. Okay? But one thing that is important to know is not all of these satellites are updated with this web address where is located the data for TLEs. I found out another website that offers the same name of file but different files of different TLEs. These two are complementary. So what I do is first I update my TLEs just copying that address here, and then run this updating process with the button here, and then get the second one. It may say copy. Let's copy. I'm gonna put it back. Okay, and then I do the same. That's it. Now I have all my satellites, CubeSat, transponders updated and ready for any transmission or downloading images, IPRS, whatever I want. If you don't know how to operate this, it's very easy. Basically, you choose your satellite, check the when it's coming. This says is in 3 hours 41 minutes and something seconds are going to pass over your horizon. Okay, you're going to show the information about the frequencies for transmission and reception. Okay, so say that you already have your DMR radio ready for receiving or transmitting satellites data or communications. So it is what I wanted to share you guys. So if you have any question, you text me via this channel in YouTube.